Okay, so today I will tell you which broker I use for my trading. That's already in the title. Okay, and I tell you why I think Darwinex is the best forex broker right now. And I will show you one thing that really sets apart Darwinex from other brokers. Okay, wait, do they give you money to say that? No, but hey Darwinex, if you see this, pay me. Okay, so Darwinex is a forex broker from UK. It was founded in 2012 and is regulated by the FCA since 2014. FCA? That's lame. My broker is regulated by the Marshall Islands. Do you even know where the Marshall Islands are? No, but it's supposed to be very nice there. Yes, for vacation, but not to control your broker. Okay. So as a trading platform, Darwinex offers MetaTrader. Also MetaTrader 4? Oh man. Are you still using MetaTrader 4? Haven't you seen the video comparing MT4 and MT5? Go check it out. Darwinex also offers interactive broker accounts, but I haven't tried that yet, so if you are interested, just take a look at their website. And by the way, I have also made a video in which I compared different trading platforms. I will link it right here. And about the trading costs, Darwinex has low commissions and spreads. And also the slippage is very low. The only thing to keep in mind is that the swap is a little bit high. If you don't hold positions over a few weeks, that shouldn't be a problem. Otherwise, you may check out the broker JFD Bank. Okay, that all sounds very good, but does Darwinex also offer a welcome bonus? My broker pays me 100 bucks. Okay, but just for opening an account. That's not a good thing. It's a red flag. What? Warning sign. You're just jealous. Never mind. Let's talk about customer service for a second. Darwinex offers good customer support. Questions are answered quickly and the staff always seems competent. But there is no live chat or something like that. Okay, another good thing is that Darwinex does not advertise aggressively. My broker sponsors a top European football club and one of the best tennis players in the world. Oh Jesus, and who has to pay for your welcome gift and all the advertising? Just think about it. Meanwhile, you can like the video if it helps you. And? I don't know. It's you. You have to pay for all that shit. These ads are for inexperienced new traders. And I'm not going to say that it is possible for one or the other broker to bet against their own client. But we know 90% lose money trading, so that would be a good business model. Okay, now the best thing about Darwinex. Darwinex is not only a broker, but also an investment platform. As a trader, you can let others invest in your strategies and make a living from trading even if you only have limited capital. And the client area is also very nice. You can, for example, transfer money between trading accounts in real time. And again, this video is not sponsored, but I just wanted to point a few things out because a lot of people ask me, what do you think of this? What do you think of that broker? And then I take a look at the broker and I see regulated by some island in the Pacific. Half the budget goes to advertising and interest in the client's long-term success is zero. So yeah. And I don't want to say that there are no other good brokers besides Darwinex, but Darwinex is just the broker I currently use for my trading. Okay, and now write a comment which broker you are using. And there are also other things I would look for when choosing a broker. I explained that in this video. So I see you next time. Bye.